How to move Dropbox to an external hard drive. So if you want to move Dropbox to an external hard drive, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply search for Dropbox, open it up. Once you do that, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the bottom left, and then head over to Preferences. Once you're in your Preferences section, Preferences is where Dropbox stores all of its core settings for your account and the app on this device, including sync behavior and folder location. We'll make the change here, so Dropbox can safely move your files and keep everything linked. Now, inside Performance or inside Preferences, navigate to the Sync tab. This tab controls how and where your files are, which are stored locally. You'll see the current path for your desktop folder and options that affect which files are downloading or kept online only. Under Dropbox folder location, click on Move or Change Location. This tells Dropbox to relocate the location, like the local desktop folder, and move correctly, updates all internal references, and avoids broken links or duplicate data. When the file browser opens, select your external hard drive and then click on Select, click on Yes, Move. You can choose the drive itself or a specific folder on that drive where you want Dropbox to live. Once you've picked the destination, click on OK and then confirm. That's it. That's how you can move Dropbox to an external hard drive. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.